Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. Look what I put. I didn't do it. My nieces put all my detergent that was on the floor. They put it up here on this table that I have down here. And they lined up all the Persil so I can really see what I had. They lined up all the Gain. They lined up all the Tide. They lined up all the Gain fabric softeners, the Gain flings, the Tide pods. See, I'm going from top to bottom, and it's 3 deep. And they lined up all the fabric softener. I only have one. Oh no, I have several Suavitels, but most of my customers want the yellow Suavitel. Like my family that came over the other week, they wanted the yellow Suavitel, so I have to remember to buy that. I got some Final Touch, and I have Downy in the corner. And as you can see, the floor is all cleared up. So there's no more down here on the floor. However, when I go to my closet here and I open my closet, I still have some detergents in the closet. Up here at the top, the very top, I have Purex, I have some Whisk, and I have some pods. You see that in the back there. The next shelf, I have this new product. It's relatively new, the OxiClean. I have some of those. I have these Purex crystals, some Gain fireworks, some Unstoppables, and in the back I have Bounce. The Bounce. Those are the driest sheets. And at the bottom here, I have some more of the OxiClean. I have the Arm & Hammer OxiClean. I have some Gain. And in the back of the Gain is extra, you know, that cheap detergent. I've never used it, but some people like it. And I have some All and a few Tide detergents. And of course I got my bags right there. Alright, so and I'll be using everything that's in the closet first because it's been here for a little while, so I don't want it to ruin. And then down here in this bin, I have all of the pods or flings or whatever you want to call them. And it's not all just Gain. They are mixed in here. They're mixed. Persil, Gain. I even see some All. They're mixed in here. All again. Some All. I think I'm gonna take the ones that's in the closet and put them down in here too. So I have some of those. All right. And I'm just happy that they're off the floor. Sometimes you can be in the midst of something and you can't see the forest for the trees. My nieces came down here and they saw that stuff. They said, okay, Aunt Sandy, you know, my name is Sandra Rose. Okay, Aunt Sandy, I'm going to help you fix it up. And they just bam, 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 and just went and just put it right here, 1, 2, 3. I was very happy. I was a happy camper. Yep, so pays to have family. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. I just thought I ought to show it to you because I like the way it looks. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Press that notification button. I'll see you in the next video. But when you press the notification button, you get my videos right away. You get a notification that I've uploaded a video. Okay, so do that, honey. And I'll see you in the next transaction. Okay, bye-bye.